This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice or a recommendation to invest. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. In this video, I'll walk you through what's new and how to use the upgraded SFX Algo toolkit. Let's start with the biggest update. One of the main problems with the old version was sensitivity. If you lowered it, you'd get too many signals. Some good, some bad. If you raised it too much, the signals almost disappeared, even when the setup looked perfect. That meant you had to keep changing the settings, trying to match the market. And as we know, the market never stays the same for long. But now, we've added a built-in AI optimization feature. It automatically adjusts sensitivity in real time based on market conditions. No more guessing, no more constant tweaking. And don't worry, if you still want full control, you can simply turn the AI optimizer off. Now let's look at the other updates and how to set things up inside the indicator. When you open the settings, you'll see a section called Trading Style. This tells the algo what kind of trader you are. If you trade fast on 1-minute or 5-minute charts, choose Scalper. Signals come faster, and the algo reacts to short bursts of momentum. If you prefer 15-minute to 1-hour charts, go with Day Trader. It's a bit slower, but focuses on clean setups with more confirmation. And if you hold trades longer, like on the 1-hour or daily chart, pick Swing Trader. The algo will slow down and look for stronger, more reliable signals. Next, you'll see Trend Length. This tells the algo how far back to look to detect the trend. Short-term focuses only on recent price action. Great for quick moves or tight ranges. Medium-term gives you a balance. It's a good default for day trading. And long-term looks at the bigger picture. It reacts less often, but the signals usually follow stronger market trends. Finally, there's sensitivity. Lower values mean more signals, but also more noise. Higher values mean fewer signals, but cleaner ones. If the AI optimizer is on, you don't need to worry about this. It'll adjust the sensitivity automatically based on price action and volatility. Now that you know what's new and how to set it up, let's walk through a simple strategy you can use right now. Now let's take a look at the automated version of this indicator and its live performance data. So far, it has completed over 100 trades, and you can clearly see how the profit is building over time. One of the key strengths of this AI-based system is its discipline. It follows the rules without emotion, and when it captures profitable moves, they're often high-quality, high-reward trades. If you have your own strategy or trade experience, you can combine it with this indicator to analyze profitability and optimize entries. You'll also get access to powerful trend analysis, including everything is tracked, so you can monitor and evaluate performance with clarity. And if you want, you can also use the SFX Algo Indicator in its scanner version, just like you're seeing right now. You'll notice a live table view, showing the details of all the trades where signals are currently being generated. This means you'll know instantly, and you can choose to take action without delay. Thanks to this feature, you don't need to monitor every chart manually. With just one indicator, you can keep an eye on the entire market in real time. It shows you exactly which coins or assets are generating trade signals, so you can focus your attention where it matters most. So that's everything you need to know about the upgraded SFX Algo toolkit, from smart signal generation to full market scanning. If you're ready to try it out, you can access the indicator using the link in the description. Just click the link, and don't forget to use my code, POWER, to get 15% off. Whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, this tool is designed to save time, boost precision, and help you stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.